Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Fee, and today I'm back with a treat from my Sunday dessert. And today I'm going to make key lime pie. You want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So to get started, we first want to make our crust, and I'm using the Ovaltine cookies. You can use your graham crackers or whatever you like. You just want to keep pulsing your blender or your food processor until you get fine crumbs. I'm going to link the link above where I did my tamarind cheesecake. It's the same step to make the crust. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you are welcome. You can be a part of this family. Also, like this video and comment in the comment section, and feel free to check out my other videos. So I melted 3 tablespoons of butter, and now I'm going to mix it into my cookie crumbs. And what you want to have is like a wet sand-like consistency. So I'm going to separate the egg white from the egg yolk, and I'm using my hands to do this. All you want to do is make sure that your hands are clean. And you have more control when you use your hands to separate your egg yolk from your egg white. So for this recipe, it only calls for the egg yolk. So you can use your egg white to make meringues, or you can use it to make omelette. So I'm just zesting some of my lime to give me that extra lime flavor to my key lime pie. But be sure to wash your lime before you do this. So you first want to incorporate your egg yolk with your lime zest. And so you know, you could actually combine all your ingredients at once. So now I'm going to add 1 sweet condensed milk, and this sweet condensed milk actually helps to balance out that sour taste from the lime juice that I'm going to add to it. I don't know if you have an idea of how small key limes are. They're so tiny, and they have little to no juice in them. And guess what? I was not going to sit and squeeze those. The truth is, you can actually use the normal lime to squeeze, but I was still not going to squeeze them. I work smart, not hard. So I went to the store and I bought some lime juice. You can use it. The lime zest help to balance everything out. So if you want to squeeze the lime, go ahead and squeeze them. Now I'm going to pour my key lime mix into my crust, and I'm going to put it in the oven to bake for 15 minutes. So there's fun fact. Back in the days, they used to make these key lime pies without baking them. But because, as time go by, you learn about the different bacterias. So because of salmonella, they stop doing that. They start baking it. So you don't really need to over bake it or anything for 15 minutes. Some recipe call for 10 minutes, some call for 15, but I work with 15 minutes and then I put it on the counter to cool. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge to set for 4 hours or overnight. And I suggest doing it for overnight. So this is what my key lime pie is looking like after I remove it from the oven. Now it's not fully set, so I'm going to allow it to cool a little on the counter, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to fully set overnight. This is my finished product. I used some whipped cream to decorate the edges, and I also went in with some sliced lime. You can decorate it how you like. Remember, the recipe is in the description box below. And also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you ever try this recipe, please send me pictures so I can post them on my Instagram page.